Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself setting up the same kind of project over and over again inside Asana, today's video is going to save you a ton of time. I'll show you exactly how to duplicate an existing project in Asana step by step, so you can skip the repetitive setup and focus on what actually matters, getting work done. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a few key tips that make this feature even more powerful. So, let's dive right in. First, log into your Asana account. Head to the login page, enter your email, your password, and you'll land on your homepage. From here, locate the project you'd like to duplicate. You can find it right on your dashboard or use the search bar if you have a lot of projects. Once you've found the project, click to open it. At the top of the project view, you'll see the Actions menu. It usually looks like 3 dots or a drop-down arrow. Click that menu, and you'll notice an option that says Duplicate Project. When you select it, Asana will ask you to give the new project a name. This is important so you don't confuse it with the original. After naming it, you'll see several options for what to bring over, like tasks, assignees, due dates, or even custom tabs. This is where you can tailor the duplicate to fit your exact needs. For example, if you're making a fresh project template for a new client, you might want the tasks, but not the old due dates. Once you've made your selections, scroll down and click the Duplicate Project button. Depending on the size of the original project, this might take a few moments, but once it's done, you'll have a brand new project ready to go with all the elements you chose carried over. Now, here's why this is such a game changer. It saves you time by eliminating repetitive setup. It keeps your workflow consistent across similar projects, and it gives you flexibility since you can decide exactly what details to keep or leave out. So the next time you're starting something similar to a project you've already built, don't start from scratch. Duplicate it instead. And that's it. You now know how to duplicate an Asana project like a pro in 2025. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and check the description for related resources. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.